This is Mr. J. Today is Thursday, December the 12th, 2024. This is the advanced video. Okay, advanced. Today's news is debatable. Can you guess? This is an AI pic of President Yoon. Martial law, impeachment, president, opposition, troops, National Assembly, law, warning, constitution, election, security, investigation, spying, hacking, responsibility. President Yoon spoke on TV to defend his decision to declare martial law on December 3rd. He said he wanted to protect the country from anti-state actions by the opposition. He explained that sending troops to the National Assembly was a warning, not an attempt to stop the government from working. He also did not cut electricity or stop broadcasts, which he said proved his intentions were fair. Yoon criticized the opposition for blocking important laws, like one to punish spying and another to improve election security. He mentioned that North Korea's hacking in 2023 showed the need for better protection. Facing an impeachment threat, Yoon promised to take full responsibility for his actions, but said the opposition is only trying to remove him to help their leader, JAE-MYUNG. Yoon said he is ready to face any investigation or legal challenges. What did President Yoon declare on December 3rd? Why did Yoon say he sent troops to the National Assembly? What did Yoon accuse the opposition of blocking? Who is Lee Jae-myung? And what was Yoon's response to the threat of impeachment? Okay? All right. Now, let us jump over. The word of the day is principal. The word of the day is principal. Like the principal of a school. If you see me looking outside, there's a car that's been parked on the street outside of my school for like 3-4 months. And so I had it, I went online and I got it, I reported it, and now there's a guy who's finally coming and putting a sticker on it. A sticker, which is nice. So hopefully it gets moved, because it makes hard for parents to drive their kids and drop them off in that, because there's less room in that. So I'm looking at him out there now. So I'm happy about that. But he's taking pictures and sort of looking my way, so I think it's funny. Anyways, here we go. All right, principle, first meaning and second meaning. He's outside now. I want to show you. No, he's leaving. Sorry about that. Off topic. First meaning, principal, head of a school or an institution. Here it is in Korean. The second meaning, the most important or main element of something. And you have the meaning there. You should know both meanings. Phonics, there's 3 syllables with the emphasis on the first. Principal, pol, si, sepol, in, rin, prin. Principle. Make sure, you write it down like this so you can pronounce it correctly later. Okay, thank you. All right, example sentences. You should memorize the second meaning. All right, example sentence, or you can make up your own if you want. The principal announced the new school policy today, and the principal reason for the delay was weather. Principal. Okay, let's go over to our weather in Tongyang. But first, I always like to look at the map of all of Korea to see where it's coldest now, which is usually always up north. And I'm always picking on this island here. Let's say the coldest 2 places are here and here. Okay, if you live there, I'm sorry. Come down to Tongyang and you might find it nice and warm. Let's see how warm here in Tongyang. Here we are. Today and tomorrow are both partly cloudy. There's a high of 11 today, a low of 2, a high of 9 tomorrow, and a low of 1. So we looked at the weather, we talked about principle, and President Yoon defending himself. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.